Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots, we got huge news for Jasmy. Where are the fudders? Where are the naysayers? A moment of silence for them. Jasmy is launching Jasmy Chain. So a lot of people say Jasmy is a token, not a coin. With this new development, guys, we could see smart contracts and dApps being brought to Jasmy, which is very interesting as well. I'm sure there's a ton of people in the community that know coding, programming, that would love to develop greater technologies for Jasmy to make it an even better project, right? The overall market is bullish and we're seeing huge breakouts. We're going to dive into this Medium article for Jasmy and the launch of Jasmy Chain. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me get your thoughts in the comment section, man. In our relentless pursuit of democratizing data and ensuring genuine user rights, we recognize that technological innovation is the key to moving forward. Therefore, we are thrilled to announce that Jasmy has officially launched the Jasmy Chain project. Jasmy Chain is not just a brand new technological endeavor, it's a further commitment to data transparency, security, and personalized control. A layer 2 solution based on Ethereum. So we see layer 2 scaling solutions similar to Arbitrum right here at $1.2 billion in market cap, and OP Optimism at $1 billion in market cap, and how much activity is happening on their network, right? And that is overall great because all of those transactions, all of what is happening on the network is great for the project's development. When the bull market is back, a lot of investors may move to layer 2 scaling solutions because Ethereum's gas fees will be sky high again, right? And this is going to be overall bullish for Jasmy because it could also mean that there could be developers in the ecosystem that create projects, dApps, that are used to burn the Jasmy supply, right? All, like for example, there's a dApp that is developed where it's there's a buy and sell tax, just like we see in meme tokens, or there's there's a dApp that has some type of form of mechanism where, like, if you hold the project that is developed on Jasmy Chain, it removes a certain amount of Jasmy out of circulation. It sends it to a dead wallet, right? And then you earn more of their token that they created, or coin that they created, right? Overall, great stuff for Jasmy. Like, this is super great to see. Jasmy Chain aims to provide users with more efficient, cost-effective, and secure ways to transact data. Its highly scalable design can handle the rapid growth of future data volumes, ensuring that our community can enjoy a smooth and instant interaction experience while enjoying data sovereignty. We invite developers, partners, and advocates of digital rights worldwide to participate in the construction of Jasmy Chain, jointly painting a beautiful chapter for the future of data democracy. This is so great. This adds even more utility to the Jasmy project. You guys, a lot of you guys had an issue with Jasmy being a token. With it evolving to being a layer 2 scaling solution in the future, that will make it a coin, right? That will make it, the utility of Jasmy, evolve even further. And I wouldn't be surprised if they include the PDLs, DIDs into the ecosystem in some way, shape, or form. The Jasmy Chain could be a part of the Jasmy Secure PCs as well, right? All of these things could happen and not, too far-fetched to fathom, right? Apologies for the noise in the background as well. Right now construction work is going on, so I apologize for that. Background. With rapid growth of data and increasing concerns about personal privacy, Jasmy is committed to transparency and democratization of data. As a leader in the Web3 field, Jasmy has made outstanding efforts and contributions. We launched the world's first blockchain PC, creating an environment for individuals to truly own and control their data. However, with the growth of the community-independent digitization, the scenarios for data use and exchange are also increasing. Therefore, we are building a Ethereum-based layer 2. Why Jasmy Chain? With large number of users, our developed blockchain PC, we anticipate rapid growth in the number of data storage users, leading to a significant increase in data types and volumes. The growth not only forms a vast economic field, but also allows us to price personal data through a suitable reward system. Currently, users can freely provide or grant their data and retrieve it if necessary. However, with the growth of data volumes, Jasmy may face scalability and performance issues. To overcome that, we see the layer 2 as more than a choice but a necessity. Features of Jasmy Chain. We are excited about the open future of Jasmy Chain, which combines a range of cutting-edge design solutions to optimize data interaction experiences and should complete user data open ownership. About abstraction supporting roll-up layer 2. Our current layer 2 development employs OP stat-based technology and natively integrates and allocate account abstraction-like system at the chain level. For users, this means a near Web 2 interaction experience on Jasmy Chain, significantly reducing friction with L2 interactions while ensuring 100% compatibility with existing EVM standards. That's going to be very interesting to see if they're going to have an EVM compatible project. You know, you could obviously add the network to your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you know, similar to ETH or BNB, right? You add, or Arbitrum, you add it to your MetaMask Trust Wallet. And I want to know how they will actually use Jasmy Coin in that scenario as well. Will they have some way to reduce the supply with the chain? Because with a chain, all of a sudden there's a number of different ways for the total supply of a project to reduce, right? Which is going to be interesting. 3.2, Web3 operating system integrated with Jasmy AI engine. Of course, with the chain, now you have the AI. Our layer 2 goes beyond data processing. With Jasmy AI engine, we envision a genuine AI-driven Web3 operating system. This system will fundamentally change the perception of Ethereum chain account system, transforming it from a mere calculator to a powerful, intelligent computer. Our goal is to provide users with more intuitive data processing methods while reducing the threshold for interacting with on-chain personal data. And right here, precise services based on DID and user data. This is what I want to see the most. To better capture and process user data, we have closely integrated with Jasmy IoT devices, ensuring that account ownership always belongs to the user. This allows users to trade freely with data demanders. Interesting, man. This means that on Jasmy Chain, everyone can have a unique ID, truly return data control to users. How Jasmy Chain can further democratize data. In a digital world, data has become a new asset. It's like the new oil, like I said before. Jasmy Chain provides a cryptographically secure, decentralized environment, allowing users to decide how to share and exchange without fear or misuse of data by third parties. Second, through decentralization, DID, everyone can have a unique identity. Finally, through Jasmy Chain's economic mechanism, users can not only gain economic rewards from data transactions, but also earn rewards by trading their own and others' data. Okay, pretty much, you know, locked in with the utility, man. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Jasmy Chain is not just an upgrade, it represents our firm commitment to data democratization. Firmly believe that everyone should control their data, and further, users can monetize their personal data, taking it out of the hands out of all of those tech oligarchs, Google, Amazon, etc. Conclusion, next steps. Combined with Jasmy's underlying asset potential, we are confident in providing a richer, more robust, and appealing ecosystem for the entire Web3 community. We are excited about the future of Jasmy Chain. The team is diligently and working on development, and we will announce more about the Jasmy Chain in the near future. That is great news, guys. Jasmy knots are reacting to the news. Dinero, good morning with exciting news. Jasmy Chain JD. Hello Jasmy fan, what are your thoughts about this potential development? I think it's extremely bullish. Guys, you guys don't know, as long as the chain has developers coming onto it, you can see, you know, meme coins on the chain that burn Jasmy. You know, you can see all kinds of different things happening. With all that transaction that is happening, the utility of Jasmy goes to a next level than what it is now, right? Jasmy.ai coming soon. Jasmy Chain, you are not ready. Alan, this is what I call development. Put that in caps. Absolutely thrilled about Jasmy tech innovation through Jasmy Chain. Glad I have a big bag ready for the bull. Shout out to Alan, man. And from Promise Money Penny, Jasmy's launching its Jasmy Chain. Oh, they have an official Twitter. Okay. The L2 vanguard of data democracy. Own, trade, and profit from your own data on the next gen Web3 ecosystem. Account abstraction supporting roll-up layer 2s. Web3 operating system integrated with Jasmy AI engine. Precise services based on DID and user data. That is absolutely amazing stuff, man. Let me get your thoughts down below. So Jasmy fam, Jasmy Knots, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. I'll catch you in the next one.